Hey ladies, this is Anna and I've just got a very important message for you today. As you know, we closed early bird enrollment for the Summer Slimdown Cooking Challenge, which means that enrollment is now open for you to sign up for the Summer Slimdown Cooking Challenge for ladies 50 plus. But the important message is to the 6,912 ladies who got on the wait list. You still need to enroll through the link that we emailed to you or the link below to actually get into the Summer Slimdown Cooking Challenge. That's just the way that the tech is set up. So by getting on the early bird wait list, you got your early bird bonus gift of the bread recipe guide and guaranteed free enrollment and priority access through a link that we emailed to you. But in order to actually get access to the challenge and get added to the challenge, you do need to enroll either through the link below or through the link that we've emailed to you. I hope that helps, ladies. I'm so excited, and I will see you all in the Summer Slimdown Cooking Challenge for ladies 50 plus. Bye.